if you have the white screen problem on your Instagram, so keep watching until the end and the problem will be solved. Or what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, and then go to apps again right here, and then here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram, and after you go to Instagram, now all what you have to do here is click on this storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back. And now all what you have to do is very simple. Click on this force stop option right here, and then click on open by default, and make sure that this option right here is on always allow. Go back. Now all what you have to do is go to Play Store and check if you have latest update on your Instagram. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.